India, a nation swamped with the buzz of 1.3 billion people, is engulfed in silence today. This silence carries a strange chaos and peace. This silence is a war against COVID-19. It is written on the hushed roads. It's in the songs of people staying back home. It's in the deferral of railways and flights. It's in the complete lockdown nationwide. Yes, the nation has come together, more powerful than ever. With the zest to bring a new tomorrow on the horizon. And the day that tomorrow rises, this silence will roar about India's mettle with all its might. And the world will be the witness.